Hi, this is Pete DeStefano with GitLab. I'm a solutions architect, and today I'm going to be doing a short demonstration about working with confidential issues in MRs. This comes up with customers sometimes. Customer may have a public project so they can interface with their customers, and they need a way to actually deal with issues that may come up that are confidential. In this case, we're going to be working with a vulnerability that popped up that needs to be dealt with. So we're going to take a look at how you could do that within GitLab. So let's get started here. All right, so I have my corporation group level, and then under that I have two groups. I have Team A and Team B. You can see here that Team A is a public group. So this is where I'll interface with my customers, and Team B happens to be a private group. This will be only viewed by members of my team here. So if we go into Team A, we can take a look at our Spring Hello demo. And within this project, there's an issue that was created called Investigate Vulnerability. Now, this was actually created automatically by GitLab from some security scans that ran within the project here. And when GitLab creates issues, you'll notice that it's marked as confidential here. So we're already restricting anybody that's outside of my project here from actually seeing this vulnerability here. So you can see the issues marked as confidential. But to actually do work on the issue, I don't want to work on it within my my repository here. Since it's public, I want to actually work on it where it's private. And to do that, what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to fork this project. So let's go and we'll actually create a fork. And we're going to fork it to our private group, which is our Team B group. So we'll kick that, and you can see forking is in progress here. And it'll just take a few seconds to actually create the project. And here we go. And you'll see the lock here. So this is actually a private project, which we have here, which is great. Now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to rename this project just so it's easier to see as I'm going through the demo here. I'm just going to call this Spring Hello Demo. I'll call it Forked. And then we'll save our changes here. So now I have a forked project that was created here. And let's go back to our main project again. So go back to our groups. And we're going to go to Team A, which is where our original project was and where our issue is. All right, so back into Spring Hello. And back into our issues. So here's our issues that are going to pop up here. Oops, I want to go to my list. And we'll go into our issue here. All right, so I have a private branch I can work on. I forked the project. Now what you'll see is I have a button here called Create Confidential Merge Requests. So I'm going to hit that, and you'll see here that right now it's pointing to my Team B Spring Hello demo forked. It knows which project this was forked from, and it's going to create a branch name called 3 Confidential Issue. And let's create a merge request from here. All right, so we have, you'll notice that when I create the merge request actually gets created in Team B on my forked project because that's where I'm doing my work, which is perfect. And now I want to open my web IDE up. And in this case, I'm going to be just changing my README file. I'm not going to be working with, fixing any of the vulnerability changes here. So let's just update our project here. And we'll just say, fixed CVE issue. And then we'll commit this file. And notice it's going to actually commit it to this branch. So we'll commit that. And then let's go back to our project now that we've committed it. and look at our merge request. All right, so this is a work in progress merge request. So I want to merge this to master. So to do that, I'm going to have to actually get rid of my whip status. So we'll just give this a chance to be done here. I'm going to resolve my whip status. I'm going to merge immediately. Okay, so this has been merged now. And if we go and look at our README, so you can see, welcome to Spring Hello Demo, fix CVE issue here in Project B here. Now, was this pushed to Project A? So you can see it has not been pushed from Project A now. Now we want to push it back from Project B. So let's go back to our groups, go back into Project B. Going to create a new merge request here. And this is where we want to take the source branch, which is going to be our, in this case, it'll be master. And we're going to merge this back to our other. And this is going to be merge CVE fix to group A master. And then we're going to merge this immediately. All right, it's been merged. Now if we go back in here, you can see our change has now been pushed to Project A. So really nice, easy workflow. GitLab does most of the work for you. Really just creates making a private fork, and then from there, you can push the changes back and forth very easily. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.